Building out a property portfolio last night for clients of mine. Their goal is for 150k in passive income. They currently have two properties, both you can see here, purchased in 2018, which was an investment property, purchased for 570,000. That has only compounded at 1.21% since that time. It's a unit in the inner city of Melbourne. And the second is bought in 2021, a principal place of residence, and that has compounded at 6% per year since purchased. So I'm going to bring you through a couple of the scenarios that we workshop with them. So the first one, just to show them, for example, was to do nothing and just hold on to these two investment properties. Remember, their goal is get to 150k in passive income. This yellow line above is their passive income target in 2025. Indexed to inflation, right? Because if you want 150k in passive income in today's dollars, that is going to increase significantly over time. And the green line here is their actual cash flow position over time. So as you can see, those two lines never join. So basically they're never going to get to their cash flow targets, passive income wise, currently structured how they are. So the next thing we looked at was holding onto their underperforming unit and adding a property investment this year. All of these calculations are much more in depth and factor in borrowing capacity and so forth. But for ease of this example, we just purchased one more property in 2025, which we sell down in 2035 and transfer that into a high yielding commercial asset. So let's have a look how that affects their passive income over time. So this time you can see by purchasing one property and then transitioning to commercial later on in the investment journey, they do actually hit their target this time. So the passive income does actually pass out the 150k index to inflation that they do require, but it's a bit past the goal time frame, and this can be structured better to bring forward retirement age. So now we workshopped a scenario of selling the underperforming unit, purchasing a 750k investment property this year and a 650k investment property next year in their own names, and also a 700k SMSF purchase next year, which from a capacity side should be fine given that they have got back their borrowing capacity from the underperforming unit, and then also transferring into commercial in 2035, selling down some property. So let's see what that does then from a cash flow perspective. So structuring it this way has brought the passive income goal from 2047 to 2041, which was their goal. And that green line is for their own name, so excluding super, but you can see the blue line here includes super, and then at the top when they become 60, you can see the passive income increase significantly there. So that is the power of building out a property portfolio tailored to yourself with your own unique financial circumstances, starting with the end goal in mind, working backwards from there, creating a property portfolio plan and executing on that plan.